Microsoft Excel is nothing but a giant fancy calculator that helps you organize things.
Hey there, welcome to your Microsoft Excel 365 certification course. We're going to have a total of 5 different modules in this course, and at the end of each module, you will have a document or multiple documents to turn into your teacher. There's so many amazing things that Excel can do, and I'm going to walk you through every single thing. I don't know about you, but it is so satisfying when I just zoom out and look at all the work that I've done in Excel, and I've made all these beautiful charts. It looks pretty impressive. I think everybody should know how to use it because it's such a great tool for you to learn how to use. What an excellent thing to add to your resume and help increase your hiring potential in your future. By the end of this course, you should be able to get certified. Let's do it.